What have you got here?
Well, do you know, because we did such a great job with the other unit,
Oh yeah.
I might have done a little thing.
Oh, a thing?
Just a little wee thing.
Oh, right,
Because I
okay.
didn't think you'd put enough trim on pieces of wood.
Okay, so what are we making here then?
We are making overhead lockers.
Right, what do we need?
We need a screwdriver.
Got one.
We need a Stanley.
Got one.
And we need a mallet.
Hammer do?
As long as you don't hit me with it, yeah.
Okay, that could be hard. So basically these are off the same people that we got the units from in the van, who are
Kitline Design.
Kitline Design, and it's exactly the same colour as the units in the van, so it's all going to fit in just nice. And like the units in the van, it's going to be really simple to put together. The actual underneath of the units, which is this, does have a cutout section, and it does come with an LED bar strip. There's no LED in there, it's the strip for you to put an LED. Now, one thing I will say, when you do unpackage all this, make sure that these little end pieces that are on there, make sure both of them are on, because one of ours got stuck in the package, didn't it?
Yes.
And we nearly lost one. They literally just pop in and pop out just like that. So make sure, because you need these to finish it off, and then your LED strip will literally just go in there. You will have to drill a hole through the aluminium, through your wood, to get the cable in, and the USB strip in, the light strip in, the LED light strip in. So make sure you do have both of your end pieces on the actual aluminium strip before you put it in. Don't lose them. Top tip.
You can pick whatever colour that you want out of their range, which is really, really good.
All the work is done for you. So if you do want to check them out,
We're going to put a link in.
oh, of course.
A link into
The description. It'll be in the underneath. There's a little thing that has got a description, and there's a little button that says read more. Pop that button down there.
What if you don't like doing the readings?
Well, if you don't like doing the readings, you won't be getting one, will you? No. Right, don't forget, when you are doing these, your trim is going to go over the top there, and you got your holes for your hinges. The trim will enter into the place where your hinge needs to go. So you just need to get your little Stanley knife, and on this edge here, just trim off the trim that is exposed into the hole where your hinge goes. It will make life so much easier. Right, so in all these little holes here, you will put these little bits, which are just there, and they are so you can basically screw things into.
Little grommets.
Little grommets. So they just go in there like that, and then you give them a tap with your hammer, and they're fixed in. And then you can screw into them. It's fine on the other side. Just make sure when you are doing it, you are on something that is soft. So get all these little grommets in all these little places, in every single one, and then we can go from there. There we go, they've all got the grommets in, every single piece that needs a grommet. So your door hinges can screw into there, your door latch catch can screw into there.
Door latches?
Oh, okay.
Right, so your door latch comes with 3 parts. You've got the innie circle bit, because I don't know what it's called.
The innie circle, we're going to go with that. The innie circle,
Innie circle bit. What I'm going to do is going to pop it in.
They can be a bit tight to go in, so you might need to get some
sausage worm fingers.
Yeah, and then if that doesn't work, I will put a piece of cloth on there and then just give it a bit of a tap with a hammer to get it in.
So the mechanism that goes on the other side, that goes on there like that, and then you get 2 little screws.
So once that's all in place, you got your front on, then it's that simple.
Just need a little knob, comes with it, and you just screw that on.
Same premises with the hinges, pop them on, screw them in the holes, job's a good one.
Right, there you have it. They are the doors done.
The front, the back, the centrepiece, all done. All your caps are on. Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it?
It does, nice
Right.
and neat. Right, so this is one side of the cabinet. So, got 3 blocks on it, 2 hinges. That's what it'll look like once it's all screwed in place. Just got to go and do the other side now.
We've got our ends on. Pretty simple. Right, now you're left with this piece. This is your brace. It will literally just slot into the end and to the other end, and then you will have to persuade it into the middle a little bit. And we'll get the middle in. And then make sure that this end is in before you knock the middle down properly. Otherwise you're going to find it really hard. You might need a persuasion stick just to tap this one into place. Then you can send the middle home.
Send it home.
This piece is going to be going up against the roof of the van. So it's going to sit up like that against the van, and it'll hold it all into place. Now it comes to the point where you're putting your doors on. Personally, I would put your doors on after you've mounted it and fixed it up, because you don't want the doors flapping about. But we're going to fix the doors on now just to show you, then we can take them off. Don't forget your doors, you can alter them, you can move them about, a little bit of play on them either side just by using the screws on the side, and the catches will lean it. You get them perfectly lined up, but I would leave the doors off until you've got this mounted in the van. But we'll pop them on anyway just to show you. There you go. That's going to be the unit. So all we need to do now is take this
into the van.
Into the transit. Yeah, into the transit, and see where we want it to go.
Yes.
That will be the interesting part. So let's go and jump in the tranny and see where it's going.
Right guys, so we fitted the cupboards in to...
It's called a van.
Now when we fitted them in, because of the way we've done our ceiling with the wood panels and the plastic, they didn't quite meet up at the front. So what we've had to do is we've had to make a little plinth and then just pop that in there into the cupboards so that everything meets. So when the doors are shut on the cupboards, there's no gap in the top, and it just makes it all look nice and neat and ties it all in.
So next video is going to be us fitting the units in, installing everything, and putting the whole thing together, isn't it?
Electrics.
Ooh, the whole lot. It's all going to come together just
like magic.
Yeah, something like that.
Get our ones out.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Once.